Hi, I'm Chien, and today in this video I will guide you how to work with the Kentico cloud under the instance of the Kentico. Okay, so you open browser and access to the kenticocloud.com, and on the navigation we have a free trial button. Click on it to sign up an account. Here, so here this is a sign in or sign up form. For now we are going to register a new one. You provide the username and password. Okay, the username should be an email. Okay, click on create account. After that, provide the username information, first name, last name, mobile phone, and select the role. Okay, you can skip this one. Okay. So it will take some time to set up the Kentico Cloud CMS for you. Here, take me there. Cool. So here the cloud has been set up successfully for the account. Yeah. So here we have the content model. Is the quick start. The quick start is the dashboard of the Kentico Cloud, and here at the end of the page we have some build your technology using the SDK, yeah, and the content and asset. In the content tab, we have the content the article or something like that. You can view detail here. If you don't understand anything, so you can see the hint of the Kentico Cloud. And this one is the content type. It defines the content type as the template for you when you are creating the new content. I will talk it about more detail later on. And here we have some the project setting. User, here you can invite or even add more user, and the new role here. You can create a new role by adding full permission. I will select all. Enter the role title. Save it up. Okay, row here. So here you can see we have a full row has been created. We also have workflow for the content review and approval processes, API key for development webhook. Okay. We can create multiple projects here, and by default we have a getting started project. It created for our demonstration in the first time. So here you check your email and verify the account further. Here, continue. This is confirms your email for subscription. Okay, so I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye bye.